Frankfurt, a dynamic metropolis in the heart of Germany, is a city that seamlessly merges its rich history with its status as a global financial hub. Renowned for its impressive skyline, cultural diversity, and vibrant arts scene, Frankfurt offers a multifaceted range of attractions that cater to travelers seeking history, modernity, and cosmopolitan experiences. The historic Altstadt, Old Town, of Frankfurt boasts charming cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, and landmarks like the Romer, a medieval building complex that has served as the city's town hall for centuries. Nearby, St. Bartholomew's Cathedral showcases stunning Gothic architecture and offers panoramic views from its tower. The Museumsufer, Museum Embankment, along the banks of the River Main is a cultural haven, home to numerous world-class museums. The Stadel Museum boasts an impressive collection of European art, while the Museum of Modern Art, MMK, showcases contemporary works by renowned artists. The Senckenberg Natural History Museum and the Goethe House, where the famous writer Johann Wolfgang von Goethe was born, add to Frankfurt's diverse cultural offerings. The Palmengarten, a meticulously landscaped botanical garden, provides a serene escape in the heart of the city. Its diverse plant collections, themed gardens, and glasshouses offer a relaxing retreat for nature lovers. Frankfurt's skyline is dominated by modern skyscrapers that reflect its status as a financial powerhouse. The main tower's observation deck provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city and its surroundings, showcasing the seamless blend of the old and the new. The Zeil, a bustling shopping street, is a paradise for shoppers, with department stores, boutiques, and international brands lining the avenue. The Kleinmarktthal, a vibrant indoor market, offers a sensory journey through local and international culinary delights. The city's commitment to the arts is evident in its theater and opera scene. The Alte Oper, a historic opera house, hosts world-class performances, while the Schauspiel Frankfurt offers a diverse range of theatrical productions. Frankfurt's diverse culinary landscape reflects its international population. From traditional German cuisine in rustic taverns to international flavors in fine dining establishments, the city's restaurants cater to a range of tastes. The vibrant district of Sachsenhausen is known for its traditional Apfelwein, apple wine taverns, where visitors can savor local specialties and immerse in a lively atmosphere. Frankfurt is a city that juxtaposes its historical heritage with its contemporary identity as a global financial center. Whether it's exploring cultural landmarks, enjoying scenic riverfront views, immersing in the arts, or simply savoring the city's diverse flavors, Frankfurt invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Germany's past, present, and urban vitality.